All right, little partners, we back at it. Hey, we got Z Mill in the blind. I gotta get in the front of the blind because it's pretty windy. We got north mile an hour wind like 9-10 miles an hour. So I'm hoping y'all actually can hear me right now. But all right, let me give y'all a little front up of what's been happening down here in the old South. So we've been doing some hunting. Ain't really been nothing. Like we got an old man down by the camp we stay at. They got a bunch of camps and like this little canal, and he said they ain't been killing nothing. He said he been talking to everybody, ain't nobody killing. But so we came out yesterday afternoon, and I didn't video because I thought it was just gonna be like, you know, it's a regular afternoon hunt, couple birds, we good, nothing really special. That was a lie. Ended up shooting first band we ever shot. Banded freaking Dogri, which to y'all is a lesser sculpt. But hopefully, they've been saying a lot of green wings, big groups of green wings, so hopefully we can smack some of them this morning because we ain't got one of those yet. But we've been after it. We've been out here for, how many days we've been out here, Zach? 4 days?
Yeah.
Jeez. Yeah, we've been out here 4 days. Didn't really shoot too much. We also did sleep in the last 2 mornings, so, which one morning it was like 20-mile-an-hour winds. You couldn't hunt. Nobody killed nothing. Yesterday morning it was raining, and I didn't feel like going to sit through the rain. They still ain't killed nothing, so what the heck? Ain't nobody really killing right now, but hopefully with these north winds they can push in some fresh birds. But we're set up. Hey, what time it is?
5:57.
5:57. We got 18 minutes till shooting time. Shooting time's at 6:15. It's gonna be a cloudy day, north winds. We got good water, good water. Decoys are all out there. I doubt y'all can see them. Like we got a big old group over there. Yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all whenever it's daytime because y'all ain't able to see it. I ain't able to see it, so I'll just show y'all in the daytime. But yeah, shot a band yesterday. Crazy, first band. Then it wasn't even videoed, which it probably should have been because I was very excited. I was cursing a little bit, and I don't think I would have even cared if I was videoing. But you know, we waiting here, waiting for shooting time. Hopefully it could get nasty today. We're hoping it gets a little nasty. But yeah, we about to get after it. And I'll show y'all the band once we get back to the camp. Just so y'all can see it. And I still don't know where it's from because the site ain't working. I might have to call the number whenever we get back in this morning. So today's our last day. And then the split ends this weekend. First split. So, and I got all work. So, yeah. So, I don't know that next time we see y'all, but stay tuned. Don't shoot the decoy. Hey! Hey! Hey, Blood! I think we got him. We gotta go get him. Send it, boy. Send it. You. Chapter little dog, right? Shoot 3 more of those. Hope we get some nice little teal-in. Still got good water, kinda. Got 6 inches. Sandbars rolling over there. Hope we don't end up on no sandbar out. We got water right now. He banded? No band? Shoot. No band, cuz. Skunks off, baby. Hold them up, cuz. Hold them up. You gonna try and test him out with a mount?
Probably will. He's probably the prettiest one we shot.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he ain't messed up or anything. Oh yeah. Well, we got the skunk off, boys. This is our spread. We got big kind of group right there. A little group of teal. And that little nice little group right here, kind of mixed in, you know. Kill hole right here. Hopefully they just suck in. Ain't nothing really happened yet for us to let them suck in, you know. But skunks off, so yeah, hopefully they start flying.
Stay still.
Mallard, don't move. You know where he went? You heard a quack? I heard a quack. Oh, that's a bigger way up there though.
What kind of mallard was it? Was it like a hen?
Yeah.
Dude, she was coming down too. We probably could have shot her.
Probably could have. Right there. Coming off the front, coming off the front. Right there. On top, oh my god. We should have some spoonbills come workers, bruh. Some spoonies. Oh my god. There's one set in the decoy and another decoy. These are gonna wrap back around right here though. There's one sitting in the decoy, in the middle of the decoy. These are gonna wrap back around right here though. There you go. Got one. All right. Well, while I was videoing, we had some doggery come in the decoys. Huh? Yeah, go grab one. Wait, what you got? You just shot one?
Did you shoot that one?
Huh? No, you shot it. I wondered, like, did you only shoot one? Okay. Well, we got one more doggery again. But as I was saying, we had some spoonies come in. I mean, we saw them too late. They were, I think we were both looking off the backside. They just right there. He's still. Get him, bro! Get him! He's still shooting at that dang doggery. But, dang, I wish you guys would spin. It was like 6 of them too, just right there in the decoys. And we just seen them too late. They worked us a little bit. Never really committed. Jeez. I mean, that's how it goes though. We're gonna keep waiting here, see if we can get some more. Finally got it. There you go. Let's take a look at him. Oh, it ain't focusing. It don't want to focus. But he's over there. Sorry. He grabbing that. Hopefully we can get some more to come in. I really like them spoonies. We haven't shot any spoonies yet this year. So that'd be nice. But we're gonna keep sticking after it. Hopefully we get some more. He just picked it up. Bandit! No way. I'm getting that fucking shell. Oh shit. I dropped the shell, bro. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Got him. Another little lesser scope.
The fuck, it wouldn't die.
Wouldn't die, bro. Alright, we back at it with y'all. We gotta end the hunt short. Because we about to show you why. We on sand. I mean, decoys are tipping over. We got a little bit of water right here, but it won't be long and it ain't gonna be nothing. I mean, nothing. Like, right there, sand. It won't be too much longer and all this is gonna be straight sand. We gotta walk all this sandbar all the way back to the boat over there. So, yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a great time. An amazing time. But we got 2 dang doggery, that's it. Knew it was gonna be a quick hunt, and didn't know it was gonna be this quick. But we out of here, probably gonna eat some deer meat chili that we cooked last night back. Some Doritos, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be the highlight of this freaking hunt, to be honest. But, yeah, I'll see y'all back at the camp. I'll show y'all that banded shark that we killed yesterday. So, yeah, catch y'all later.